Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is early in the morning, everyone. And as promised, here I am with my team. Something came up. So a wedding came up out of nowhere. So we were kind of like, my husband and I, we were like super forced to do all kinds of changes in our lives. We went and we got the vaccine yesterday, and oh my god, my arm hurts so bad. Like I could not sleep last night because of the pain. Other than that, when I got the vaccine, right when they gave it to me, I felt so weird. Like it was just weird. And then when I got up, I felt super dizzy. So I told them, and they were like, okay, we're gonna keep you here a little longer. I do feel that since I was like so nervous and scared, I think like I do those things to myself. I made myself super, super nervous and scared, that I think that's why, you know, I felt that way, because I tend to get so scared. With that said, you guys, luckily I'm okay, so that's a good thing. But I want to show you guys, yesterday I was working on these nails, which you're gonna get to see how I did them. So pretty much it's like doing the real acrylic fingernails. I did use the dip system, but I have to do them like kind of like a press-on style. You guys have seen, if you've seen the video, how I do them, you could see there. But so far, this is what I got for one hand. I'm trying to be fabulous for the wedding. I think they look super cute. You guys will get to see how they all look on my hands when I'm done, obviously. These were the ones I was working on yesterday. I try to make them very detailed. As you guys can see, this one's a thumb. I'm supposed to wear like white with black, but it has gold on my shirt. So I just wanted to look like really cute and sparkling. It's gonna be at a beach, the wedding. So I decided to add a little Chanel. So I really feel that they look super cute. Now, the way I did this set, and then we're gonna use some of our sparkly stuff, and I used these butterflies, and I used my little Chanel stickers. But the way I did it, you guys are gonna get to see, I used the dip system. So you guys already, if you've seen how I do the press-ons, you guys do get to see how I you know, I glue on one of the nails, and then I have to cut it. So I have to prep the whole hand, and I'll get back and show you guys how I did this whole look, and that way you guys know. So that way I'm gonna try to make this video short, which that never happens in my life because my husband has to do all that editing. So I'm gonna try to get straight to the points of what I'm gonna do, so you guys know how to do these nails, okay? So I'll be back. So we went ahead and prepped the nail, you guys. As you guys can see, we're gonna go ahead and use this nail tip. I really, really like these nails. They're awesome, especially like if you actually do want to do press-on nails, kind of like the method that I showed you guys to do. These are nice, and you know, they're hard. They're pretty good, and you don't have to apply so much acrylic to the nail. So what we're gonna do with this, I'm gonna go ahead and use a dip powder. You can use, this one's kind of like a Milky Way kind of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. So I pretty much, like, I think I'm gonna do like 2 to 3 layers on this. And then what I do is I go ahead and put the stickers, the foils, whatever I have to do. And if I have to cure it in the lamp, like to put it with glue or whatever to make my life a little easier, then I go ahead and do that. And then I go ahead and do just a little layer of acrylic, which is our clear acrylic powder. So I'll pretty much show you guys kind of like the design, because I am going to use some of these little glitters as well. But that's going to be like when I do the layer of the clear. I'm going to try to take the phone with me. That's why I'm kind of explaining it to you guys. I have this little table that I got, but I don't know honestly if I'll be able to fit the camera up there. I'm going to definitely try so you guys can see the design, but pretty much the only thing you'll be missing is me putting the little sparklies. And as you can see, the sparklies are just right here. I just slap a little bit on the top and on the bottom, just barely. So that's all you're really gonna miss. So it's not a lot. I don't feel that it's a lot. But I'm gonna go ahead and file these down before we start with them. Alright, so we're gonna use kind of like a milky way color. I just hope that I pulled out the right one because my fingers are gonna look funny with different colors, right? So you're gonna use your base coat, obviously. And I'm thinking for this, it's gonna need two, but if I do 3, I'll let you guys know. So I'm just gonna kind of give you guys the idea of what I'm doing here. So because there's a nail, that plastic nail on the bottom, it pretty much gives it an apex as well that you don't have to work so hard on, which is one of the things that I struggle with a lot. And I think that I'm doing better than I was before years ago. But it's always an issue, the apex, because you want it to look beautiful. I know I do. So that's why I spend so much time on the nails, just trying to perfect it every single time. So I'm thinking I must have done 3 layers. I must have done 3. I'm not even sure, to tell you the truth. I should have written this down. I always write everything down because I do tend to forget things. But yeah, that's who I am. I forget things. I'm very forgetful. I'm like that fish Dory for everything from that movie Nemo. I forget everything, you guys. Sometimes I have to write things down and people are just looking at me like, are you serious? You can't remember that simple little thing. And I'm like, I forget. So I call myself Dory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and I'll be back. I'm going to do the second coat. I'll be back if I'm doing a third. Okay, everyone. So we didn't do a third coat. I tried to do a third coat on this one and I could tell that that nail was super, super white compared to this one. So I don't know, you guys. I seriously cannot even remember. Like, how ridiculous is that? So now I think I'm going to have to kind of sand this one down towards the end so that it's not too much. So that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and sand it down, buff it out just a little, so that way, you know, your little stickers will stick and all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to remember how I did this. I'm gonna copy the thumb. So this is the only thing, because I'm using this thumb on this one. I can't use it over here because then the design is over here. Instead of doing the design over here, I have to do the butterfly over here so that I can remember. So let's see. I'm going to use one of these butterflies. And then I always forget too, you guys, so I might just forget and put it on the wrong side, the other one. So I'm going to try. Because remember, I'm working on one hand, and then since I'm doing them press-ons, I'm able to work on the same hand so that they come out right. So it was over here. So if I do it, what the heck, if I do it like this, then it's gonna be like that, right? Okay, so it's like this. It's gonna go on this side. have to put the little sparkles on that one, and then on the front on this one I'm gonna go ahead and do, look at this. So we're gonna do a Chanel sticker on that one. Seriously? It seems to look semi-okay. So we did that one, and then the other one is going to be a butterfly, and the other one is another Chanel. And it's going to be this one. Okay, let's do this one. So I'm trying to get all the stickers the same. The little foils. Let's see. Yep. Okay, and now our beautiful butterflies. Now these, let me see which ones I use. I don't remember now. To copy it, obviously. Okay, I seriously need to be super careful. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I'm only having like when you're trying to focus and then I'm trying to talk. Got this one. I need to make sure I do it exactly the same. That will work on that one. And then let me get the other one actually. I'm using the wrong hand. Yeah, how did I do this one? Alrighty, that's as good as it gets on that one. So see, we went ahead and pasted all our little stickers. And now we're gonna put some foils. And remember, I said we're gonna do it on this side because the nail's gonna go on this side. And since I made them little press-ons. And then we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of our little glitter. I'll show you guys afterwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and encapsulate these and pretty much finish up. So I'm just pretty much going based on this now, putting the little foils on this side. Exactly, I'm trying to do it exactly the same. So I'll see you guys back. Okay everyone, so we are finished with the press-on nails. I got to my video super late. Obviously, I've been wearing these already for about 4 days. I know I was supposed to film it, but I didn't have the chance to do it. I was super late on it. So obviously, you know, I washed dishes and all, and you could tell. But this is what the nails do look like. So they look still pretty good after 4 days. And I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and put them away. So we put the little plastic underneath. So I did have the crazy glue on them. And we are done. So I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys on my next video. I'll be working on maybe some purple flowers. We're gonna encapsulate, use acrylic and all. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.